Upbeat music plays, visuals of futuristic cities and robots. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, robots in 2025. Buckle up as we explore the incredible inventions that are transforming our world into a sci-fi wonderland. Imagine waking up to your very own personal assistant robot, like RoboBuddy. It brews your coffee, feeds your pet, and even reminds you to take your vitamins. Designed with a personality, RoboBuddy learns your habits and preferences, making your daily routine easier and more fun. In factories, advanced robots like the FlexiBot are revolutionizing manufacturing. These robots are equipped with AI that allows them to adapt on the fly. Need a sudden shift in production? No problem. FlexiBot adjusts its workflow seamlessly, boosting efficiency and reducing waste. But it's not just about convenience and efficiency. In healthcare, we've got MediBot, a groundbreaking surgical assistant that performs precision tasks during operations. With its real-time data analytics and surgical skill, MediBot ensures better outcomes for patients and supports surgeons like never before. And let's not forget about education. Meet the TeachBot. This AI-enabled robot personalizes learning for students, adapting lessons to fit different learning styles. Whether it's math, science, or even language, TeachBot makes learning interactive and engaging. These robots showcase just a glimpse of what's possible in 2025. They're designed not only to assist us but to enhance our quality of life in ways we never imagined. But what does all this mean for our future? Are we looking at a utopian world, or are there challenges we should prepare for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. How do you feel about the rise of robots? Are you excited or a little concerned? Let's start a conversation. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next journey into the future. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing innovation. Bye.